video is an introduction to biomass utilization technology. Biomass is expected as a next-generation energy source. Tottori University of Environmental Studies refines biodiesel fuel from used cooking oil recovered from local households and uses it in school buses. First, let's take a look at how this is accomplished. Biodiesel fuel is made from used vegetable oil left over after deep frying and other cooking activities. Around 20 kiloliters of this oil is recovered in Tottori City with the cooperation of local residents and businesses. The used oil is automatically refined into biodiesel fuel by simply pouring it into the refiner. This biodiesel fuel is used to power school buses. Used cooking oil that would normally be thrown away is thus recycled as fuel for powering motor vehicles. The school bus exhausts the sweet smell of deep-fried vegetables. Next, we will look at biomass technology developed by local businesses in Tottori Prefecture. The Sanko Group's Tottori factory handles local waste and recycling operations in Tottori Prefecture. Here, everyday food waste from food retailers and sawdust produced during woodwork are fermented along with other organic waste material to create compost. The 3 compost plants refine approximately 40 tons of organic compost per month, which is sold within Tottori and to other prefectures. An odor absorption system has been introduced to ensure the bad smell usually associated with compost fermentation doesn't leak from the plant. This factory takes advantage of the biomass potential of waste food products while keeping the local environment clean. Our next stop is Inaba Compost Center, jointly run by Tottori City and local authorities. This facility produces around 400 tons of organic compost annually, using human waste and sewage, which is conventionally incinerated and reclaimed. This waste is fermented twice on its way to becoming compost. Sewage heats up to around 70 degrees Celsius during fermentation, sterilizing bacteria in the process. The manufacturing process takes place entirely inside sealed pipes, allowing easy recovery of odorized gas, which is incinerated and absorbed by activated carbon, leaving the plant completely free of odor. The produced compost is then reintroduced into the food chain as fertilizer for the next generation of vegetables. The recycling system developed by Inaba Compost Center takes human waste and sewage sludge that would normally be of no use and appropriately processes it into a useful resource. Our next stop is Inaba Kankyo Corporation's Organic Liquid Fertilizer Processing Plant. Biomass utilization-related efforts here focus on the creation of a circulatory food recycling system that encompasses all processes, from food consumption to food production. Raw waste recovered from around 2,100 households in southern Tottori City, Chizucho, and Yasucho is refined into organic liquid fertilizer to be used to grow vegetables. Furthermore, this organic liquid compost attempts to establish an organic agricultural community and efforts to promote a better understanding of biomass utilization activities among local residents and producers. So far, we have seen various biomass utilization technologies employed within Tottori Prefecture. It's now time to introduce the grand sum of this technology, the biomass town concept. A biomass town is a town where the local community actively works together to circulate and utilize biomass resources. Tottori University of Environmental Studies will continue to further this biomass town concept in order to introduce Japanese efforts to utilize waste biomass to countries throughout Asia and encourage surrounding nations to reduce, reuse, and recycle solid waste. Miyakojima Biomass Town in Okinawa Prefecture represents the community's commitment to reduce its dependence on externally produced goods and an urgent need to protect the groundwater, which is the island's sole source of fresh water. One countermeasure that has been carried out is the utilization of biomass resources, such as local sugarcane and livestock excreta. At Tsushima City Biomass Town in Nagasaki Prefecture, the inflated price of fossil fuels on the island made it imperative to find a cheaper alternative fuel. Some such alternative energy sources include wood chips manufactured from the island's abundant timber supplies and biodiesel fuel refined from used cooking oil. Biomass utilization technologies are closely connected with the local environment and social situation. Ongoing investigation and research is needed to determine which biomass technology works well, where, and why. We are determined to build upon accumulated biomass experience and technology developed here in naturally blessed Tottori and broadcasted to Asia and the world in continuing efforts to promote waste biomass utilization and a lifestyle based on the 3 R's of reduce, reuse, and recycle.